Yo, dude, so I'm going to show you right now how to use our ROOP software to do live streaming with a different face on it. So not only, we have the software, we can take videos and put the faces on it to change it, but we can live stream with that as well. So I'm going to show you that. That's really cool. This is going to be based on the idea that you've already got ROOP installed. Okay, so if you haven't installed ROOP yet, go over and check out our other video on how to get that going as well. Also, please hit the like button as it helps. Okay, I need you to press that. So thank you so much. Okay, now as we get on with this video, what's going to happen is I'm going to pause it at one moment because right now we're using the video source directly, if you remember our other videos, directly from our NVidia Broadcast, straight from our camera. What we're going to be doing is using a virtual camera here to do the face swapping, and so they're going to conflict. So there's going to be a minute where I'm going to pause it, but it's going to be like going into some deep sleep. You're going to go like that, and then you're back, and you ain't even going to realize time passed. So it's hang in there. You're going to be okay. So let's go on over here really quickly. What we're going to do is pop over to our terminal. Okay. Now again, we're assuming you've already installed ROOP. So we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to go into my image directory. Okay. And then I'm going to go into my ROOP Unleashed. Because what we're doing is we're using a ROOP version that's not going to put a square over the face. If you do anything like, anything, I mean, it can just grab anything. Could just be someone in a dress or a dude with a shirt off is going to put a square over the face. So this takes rid of that. So we're going to go ahead. Now, what we do here is we're going to type python run.py, but it wouldn't work if we did that because you forgot we have to activate our environment. So we type activate, and I'm going to go ROOP, and now you're going to notice we're in the ROOP directory. If you don't know what we're talking about, this is mini Conda. We've created a virtual environment so we're not polluting our main environment. All our packages are ready to go. Go watch the other video if you haven't set this up. But assuming you have, okay, we're going into our Conda environment. Now we're just going to go ahead and run the program, python.run.py. Okay. So that's going to take just a second, and then you're going to see that we've actually popped up. Here's our software. Okay. Now there's something we got to do before we go into using the virtual camera and all that. We have to set up our NVidia Broadcast to work right. So we're going to click on over to, what you do is go to your desktop, open up your NVidia Broadcast. Okay. Now this is where I'm going to lose you here in a second. Okay. Won't do this quite yet, but you're going to click here, and we're going to click OBS virtual camera. So I'm going to hold on just a second on this because I want to pop back over here. Before we get going, what we do, let's go pick a picture that we're going to want to use. So I'm going to grab a picture of Johnny Cash here, and I got one of John Wayne. So let's open these up. Okay. And what you're going to see in your terminal window is that it's loading them up. Okay. And when they're done, they're going to pop up like this. This is all in your browser. Okay. If the picture comes up and if it loads the picture but doesn't show a picture, it means there's something about that format of photo that it doesn't like. I haven't figured out why some photos work, some don't. If it doesn't, then grab another. So what you do is you want to select the face that you want. Okay. And we'll be able to click back and forth on these. Let's click this one. Now this is where I'm going to have to cut off here for a second. We're going to go over here to live cam. Okay. Now, once we get going, we're going to hit start, but don't hit start yet. Okay. We're going to click here where it says forward the stream to virtual camera. Okay. So we're going to use our NVidia Broadcast software to display it, because I talked with the creator of this application of ROOP, and he hadn't liked the way that it worked with inside the application, so he switched over to just using a virtual camera. It's like, so it's no big deal. You just its source begins here, and then we go to the other software, we tap in and use it from there. So now we're going to pop on over to this. Okay, I'm going to lose you here for a second, and we're going to click on OBS virtual camera. I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. See, now here I am, looking a little bit different. Hey, you don't get rhythm when you get the blues, all that kind of good stuff, right? So let's click on over here to where we was. And remember, we had clicked this. Let's move this out of the way so you can see. Oh, you can't completely see that. There we go. That's a little bit better. Oh, there. Okay, so we clicked this little button here that said connected to the virtual stream. Okay. Then after we got our NVidia Broadcast clicked over, we click the start button. Okay. Now we're broadcasting. I can go back over here. Right. We'll click back on the FaceSwap. Now let's click on John Wayne's face. Okay. And that should change it. Or actually, let's go ahead and get rid of his. We're going to click remove selected. Now that should, oh, there we go. now, hey, Pilgrim. Hey, Missy. That all good stuff. So, now we're live streaming with this. If I want to get back to my normal face, I just clear them all. And, oh my God, there it is. Not as handsome, but, more to the truth. So, that was really easy. We opened up our Conda environment, ran our application. We found our pictures, then we clicked over onto the live cam thing, but before we did anything, we clicked this little button right there to send to the virtual camera. Then we switched over to our NVidia Broadcast, clicked on virtual camera, okay? We clicked this little thing, it drops down. Then we headed back over here, clicked the start button, waited for about a minute, and she's going. So if I want to add other faces, I can clear all here. I should do this all in real time. Now I've got photos. Again, it's funny. Some of these don't always don't load up properly, but oh, here we go. So that's how you do it, guys. Enjoy your fun with this kind of stuff, because you know what? It is fun. And you should know how to do this because you can do all sorts of creative stuff. And in fact, I'm going to just leave you with this. Building something is just taking blocks and putting them together and making cool structures, right? We take the basics and we iterate them over each other, put them in different formats, and then we do cool stuff. This is a piece that I've now given you that you can go out and do something cool with and make $1 million, and then, remember me. So, hey, seriously though, you stay good. I'm excited for you. I want to see what you're making. So if you make something good, share it with me, okay? We'll chat you later, and as always, you stay good.